Let's talk now about the Pentacles, the suit of Pentacles. This suit of Pentacles talks about the things that are material and worldly. Normally we shall think about the Pentacles as something that talks about the financial matters. But beside the fact that the Pentacles describe the wealth, the financial matters, they also describe prosperity generally, health, stability and security. The Pentacles are associated with the element of earth. When the Pentacles appear in a reading, they are related to the long-term future, to the household, to the career, to the investments, to the business investments, but also to feelings of sensuality. The negative side of the Pentacles stand for ambition at all cost, greed, or jealousy. And now let's talk about the meanings of each card. And let's begin with the Ace of Pentacles. If the card is upright, it stands for prosperity, for new ventures, and for new opportunities. If the card is reversed, it stands for lost opportunities, or missed chances, or for bad investments. The Two of Pentacles. It stands for being able to adapt to change, for taking the right decisions, and for knowing how to prioritize a situation. If the card is reversed, it stands for disorganization, for being overwhelmed, and for losing one's balance. The Three of Pentacles. If the card is upright, it means building, creating something, for collaborating with others in order to create something, and for teamwork. If it is reversed like this, then it stands for a lack of teamwork, disorganization, or for conflicts within a group. The Four of Pentacles means security and conservation, whereas if it is reversed, it stands for someone being greedy or possessive. The Five of Pentacles. If it is upright, it stands for poverty or insecurity. And if it is reversed, it represents the improvement of a situation, recovery, or charity. The Six of Pentacles. If it is upright, it stands for generosity, for sharing. Whereas if it is reversed, it stands for stinginess, for power and domination. The Seven of Pentacles. If it is upright, it stands for hard work and perseverance. If it is reversed, it stands for work without results, for distractions and lack of rewards. The next card, the Eight of Pentacles, stands for high standards, or apprenticeship. If the card is reversed, it stands for a lack of passion, for someone who is uninspired and has no motivation. The Nine of Pentacles means luxury, reaping the fruits of your work, and getting rewards. If the card is reversed, it stands for a person who likes to spend recklessly, to live beyond his or her own means. And if this person has success, this is a false success, not a real success. And the last card is the Ten of Pentacles, which stands for inheritance or a legacy. Whereas if the Ten of Pentacles is reversed, it represents a lack of resources and stability. And now let's continue with the Page of Pentacles, which stands for ambition and diligence. Whereas if this card is reversed, like this, it stands for laziness, for lack of commitment, or greediness. The Knight of Pentacles stands for hard work and responsibility and efficiency, whereas if it is reversed, it also stands for laziness, for a work without reward, or for someone who is obsessive. The Queen of Pentacles stands for financial security and practicality. If the card is reversed, it stands for jealousy and for self-centeredness. And the last card, the King of Pentacles. If this card is upright, it stands for abundance and prosperity and security. Whereas if it is reversed, it stands for indulgence and greed. So this was the last card of Pentacles.